Hey you guys, so I'm back and I've straightened my hair, and this is how the hair came out. This is the final style. I literally love it. This is my first time dyeing and pretty much successfully styling a lace front. I do have a curly one right here, as y'all can see, that I have, or that I styled, and it was really like trial and error. But this one, you guys, like, I literally did not have to do much to it. Did not have to pluck for real, didn't have to do more than the standard cut, snip, and glue. Like, I love this hair, y'all. Like No, but this hair really does slap. I strongly urge y'all to go ahead and purchase it. It's really not even that expensive either. It's so crazy to me when people go to like Kendra's boutique or any other small boutiques that you'll find on Instagram, and pay $300-400 plus for hair. I think that's ridiculous when you can do it on your own and get it off of AliExpress or Tinashe, Eunice. I mean, the sellers, the vendors, it goes on and on. But at the end of the day, I love this hair. Yo, it literally smacks. Literally smacks. If y'all think I did a good job, let me know down in the comments below. Again, I used Adore Indigo Blue. I think that's the name of it. Indigo Blue dye. And this is a 20-inch lace front wig from Tinashe. But of course, since it was processed, it is going to shed a little bit more, or yeah, I guess shed a little bit more than the usual. But other than that, like, I have nothing else to say about this hair, y'all. 10 out of 10. If y'all thought I did a good job, let me know. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you all later. Ciao.